In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable touchpad in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, turning on a touchpad on your laptop usually requires either a specific function key or a quick toggle. So Asus laptops have a dedicated key to disable the touchpad for gaming or typing. So look at your F keys, which are F1 to F12, and look for an icon that looks like a touchpad with a line through it or a small square. Now, common Asus keys are usually F6 or F9. Press the key alone, and if that doesn't work, then hold the Fn key on the bottom left and then press the F key. And on new Asus models, a small HUD will appear on your screen saying touchpad enabled. If the hotkey isn't responding, the software lock in the Asus control center might be active. So open up the My Asus app, click on device settings, and then go to input device settings and find touchpad and ensure it's toggled on. And sometimes Windows itself disables the touchpad when it detects an external mouse is plugged in. So press the Windows key and type touchpad settings and then hit enter. Then toggle touchpad switch on. So what we can do is just go over and type that in, and then you're going to see turn the touchpad icon on or off. Then you can enable it as well.